This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I'm going to narrate The Great Comet Venus by David Talbott, 1997. Section titled, One Fear, Many Expressions. Due to the fragmentation of the subject, the experts have missed the most significant fact of all. Mesoamerican cultures as a whole express their greatest fear in recurring patterns, noted in the sections to follow. The rites of sweeping practiced in every sacred precinct. The great festivals reckoning with critical moments in the calendar and repeating memorable episodes in the age of the gods. The virtually endless rites of sacrifice by which tens of thousands died in a cultural-wide bargaining with celestial powers. The ritually ordained wars by which the city's bravest and strongest achieved a glory like unto that won by the heroic ancestor god, whose own deeds, during the catastrophic interlude between two world ages, had served as a model for the battlefield contest of strength and will. Together with the available information on disaster portents, these mythically rooted themes provide a great reservoir of evidence as to the character of the remembered catastrophe. The repeated patterns speak of a world falling into darkness, the death of a creator king, whose heart-soul was torn from him, the end of the kingdom, the world, a sky filled with celestial dust and comet-like debris or overrun by chaos hordes, the gathering of great armies in the heavens to wage celestial combat and overwhelming commotion, reverberating shouts and cries, the earth-shaking moans of the great goddess, the shrieks of whistles, trumpets blaring, the beating of drums, and in the very midst of this world-ending havoc, a smoking star, archetypal comet, planet Venus, announcing the disaster in the most literal, causative sense and presiding over the recovery of order, as if sweeping clear the darkened and cluttered heavens.